guys, Melissa Ogilevitz with the Weingarten Real Estate team here on location and excited to show you our newest listing at 1427 Southeast Street in Amherst, Massachusetts. Investors take notice. Let's go check it out. This 5-bed, 2-bath, turnkey multifamily is a rare find with over 1,800 square feet of living space, updated kitchen with shaker cabinets and stainless steel appliances, replacement windows, and wood floors throughout. You won't want to miss this one. Outside, you'll find ample off-street parking on over half an acre lot, which gives this property a farmhouse feel, while still being ideally located to UMass and all of your amenities. Bonuses like the sunroom and ample storage space throughout the property give tenants everything they're looking for and more. We hope you've enjoyed your personal tour of 1427 Southeast Street in Amherst, Massachusetts. If you have any questions about this property or would like to schedule a private showing, please contact us at the number below. Here at the Weingarten team, we believe who you choose to work with matters, and we want to work with you. We want to work with you. Oh, I did the thing across my face again. Over, let's do that again. Outside,